it's Kaylee from MediaFast. You're probably here because you're struggling to get your videos uploaded to your video brochure or box. But not to worry. You're probably experiencing one of a few issues, and we're going to go over each one of them here today. First, your file size is too large. If your video plays great in 4K on a 60-inch TV, it is most likely way too big for a video screen. Our screens can still deliver a high definition quality with a much smaller file. When properly formatted, you can fit up to 10 minutes of content on a 256 megabyte chip, 20 minutes on a 512 megabyte chip, and 40 minutes on a 1 gig chip. You can find the format chart on our website at mediafast.com, and I will link it in the description below. Number 2, incorrect format. If your video isn't in the correct format, it might not play properly or at all. The fix? You need to determine the required specifications for your specific screen size, which you'll find in that chart we talked about listed on our website, which is linked below. This chart includes the bit rate, the resolution, the aspect ratio, etc. Everything that you need to know. Once you know what you need to convert your video. My go-to for video conversion is Canva. It is a free and simple to use program. It's as simple as uploading your video and resaving it in the proper MP4 format to your device. Another option is Movavi. It's a paid program but offers a more in-depth file customization. Links to both of these tools can also be found in the description below. If you're working with a videographer, chances are they can output your video in the correct format for you. Just make sure that they have the specifications sheet. These are just the programs that we feel confident can help you. Number 3, the no file error. If you see the no file error pop up after uploading your video, it means the file isn't readable. This is common with videos shot on an iPhone, and they're saved in the HEIC MP4 format. Although it's still called MP4, it's actually a high efficiency image format that doesn't work on video brochures or standard PCs. To fix this, you need to convert the file back to an original MP4 format, which is what we just talked about. You can use one of those 2 programs we previously talked about that are linked in the description below. Or you can also fix the problem by changing the settings on your iPhone, like this. Number 4, the not enough space warning. Sometimes, even if the file size is small enough, you might get the not enough space error. And this is usually due to something we call ghosting. This is where a file is deleted, but it's still on the device occupying space. To resolve this, you'll need to reformat the video drive to completely erase the ghosted file. We have video tutorials on how to do this with both a PC and a Mac listed on our website, and we will also link them below. Once your file is ready, uploading should be a breeze. Simply plug in your USB cord that came with your device into your computer and into your brochure or box. Depending on whether you're on a PC or a Mac, this might look a little differently. Something like this if you're on a PC, and something like this if you're on a Mac. Once you see it up on your screen, you're going to drag and drop your file into your device. Now here's the important part. When you're dragging your files, you need to label them in the order that you want them to play. For example, the first video you want to play needs to be labeled 01. The second video 02, 03, etc. You can add other labels, but the first thing in each section needs to be 01, followed by a space, and then however you want to label. Example, 01 space wedding video. Capiche? If you have followed all of these steps and you are still experiencing difficulty, please feel free to give us a call. We are happy to help. As always, we love your feedback, so if you did find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and any comments you'd like to leave below. Thank you for being a part of our MediaFast family. We appreciate your feedback. We hope you have a great day, and we'll see you on the next one.